Great. I think we are live right now. Welcome, everyone. Let's wait a couple of minutes for people to join the live stream. We have here Helwan. He's going to teach us how to use IBC transfers and hold USDC here on Coreum. So let's just wait a couple of minutes. How are you, Helwan, today?
Yeah, doing good, doing good. What about you, Annalisa?
I'm good. I'm excited. I want to learn. As a non-developer, I think it's really important to learn how to hold USDC. I mean, it's such a famous stable coin, one of the first ones. So I'm pretty excited.
Yeah,
Um,
yes,
I I know we're gonna be using some tools from our partners, from Coreum's partners that are TFM and Leap Wallet. So I'm also excited about that. I've
yeah,
used TFM before. I've never used Leap Wallet, so um, yeah, I'm happy to learn.
yeah. It's gonna be interesting. So, as you said, we're gonna see how can you have USDC on Coreum, but also any other assets. And on this workshop, we're going to do it for non-developers. So we're gonna only use, as you said, tools that our partner built. So TFM, Leap Wallet, as you said, we're going to use Squidwater also,
Oh,
and we also
amazing.
have yes, and we also have one new partner that we just integrated with, and this is gonna be the surprise.
Oh, cool. This is so exciting. So we're having brand news here on the live broadcast. Okay, great.
Exactly, exactly.
Yes. Okay, I see some people already joined. We have some comments in the live stream on YouTube. Guys, if you're watching this live stream right now, you can make a comment on YouTube and we'll answer it here. I see Marco Leon.
Wow.
Hello, team. Thank you for the workshop. It's our pleasure, truly. Thank you, Helwan, for always being so committed to teach the community more about Corium and how to build on it. So
Of
we
course.
have also Arctic U8. Oh, it says Helwan's mic is not clear.
Okay,
Let's.
so hello Marco, hello RTQ, hello Abaron. So is it better right now? It should be better.
I honestly,
If
I
it's
can
not,
hear you.
let me know.
I can
Yeah,
hear you perfectly, but I'll mute myself once you start.
yeah, we'll see. We've done some tests, but you never know. But it should be all good right now. Yeah, it should be good. Much. Awesome, awesome, perfect. All right. Hello, Mackenzie. So yeah, I think we're just gonna wait maybe 1 or 2 more minutes for everyone to join, and we're going to be able to start. I see the lunar space team is here. Cheers, guys! Awesome, awesome. So maybe if you already use IBC and bridge any asset to the Coreum chain, or you know what, to any other chain, maybe you can put a little thumbs up in the chat. So, are you in the UAE? No, I'm not. You're welcome, Niels. All right. Yeah, so if you ever use IBC, thumbs up. So like this, we can have an overview of how many of you used it beforehand. Okay. All right. Double thumbs up. All right, amazing. Yeah, so I think we can start. It's gonna be um, recorded anyway, so if you miss the beginning, no worries. You're gonna be able to catch up along the way. Um, so I'm gonna start by sharing my screen. All right, awesome. So let me know if you can see my screen. Annalisa, everything is okay? Yes, perfect.
Yes, I might remove myself so people can have a better layout of the screen and just leave you to it. But call me whenever you need.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you.
Great. Thank you.
All right, so we are going to start with our first partner, so TFM. So TFM built a really nice interface that allow you to swap and transfer assets from different chains within the Cosmos ecosystem. So the goal right here is to show you how can you have a representation of the Coreum token to any other chain that we have a channel open with. So right now I'm going to select right here Coreum as a blockchain. And here, for example, let's say we want to send the Coreum token to, let's say, Osmosis. Okay. We will have like to select the token that we want to send. So we're going to send some Coreum to Osmosis. My wallet is connected already, by the way. So make sure you connect your wallet beforehand. I'm going to send 2 Coreum to Osmosis. Receive on the same wallet. That should be the same wallet. All right, perfect. I'm going to click on transfer, confirm. I need to sign the transaction. So maybe what we can do is look at the message body quickly. So here you can see that the denom that is being transferred is UCore. It's I believe 2 million, and this is because the denom is UCore, so this is micro, right? So it's 10 power 6, so this should be 6 digit right here, 1 2 3 and another 3 exactly. So this is 2 million UCore, which is the equivalent to core. Perfect. What do we have interesting? We have the fee right here. And another thing that is interesting to notice, it's the source channel. So this is the channel that we have open with Osmosis. An interesting thing to note here is that the way that the IBC denom is constructed, it is IBC slash, and then it is a hash of the token denom plus the channel that it was sent through. So for example, if you sent one core token through channel 2 and another core token through another channel, they will have a different IBIS representation on Osmosis. This is why you need to make sure that it's always sent through the same channel. But this is done automatically by TFM. They source the chain registry on GitHub, so no need to worry here. But yeah, just a quick explanation. So you click approve, and then you can see that we have one transaction pending. So we're going to wait for this transaction to go through, and we are going to look at the transaction hash on the Explorer. All right, awesome. So it did go through with the transaction. Okay. So I'm going to copy my address. I'm going to go on the Coreum Explorer. Look for this transaction. IBC transfer. IBC receive. All right, perfect. And we did send to core indeed. All right, so this was the first thing. So how do you get core to another channel? So right here we showcase osmosis, but we could have sent in to another channel, right? The next thing is how do you exchange Coreum? So how do you do a swap, right, from Coreum to another Cosmos assets? So one of the solution could be to send the Coreum token like we did on Osmosis, and then on Osmosis you can swap it on their DEX for another token and then bridge it back to Coreum. But what we're going to do for the next application, we're going to use Squidwater right here. And this decentralized application allow you to swap any to do the IBC transfer and to swap for a token at the same time. So instead of doing it as a two-step process, we're only going to do it with one click. So same process right here. I'll connect my wallet, Kepler. It's connected. It's showing me my balance right here. So I'm selecting Coreum. So this is the network, the Coreum token. And I want some USDC on Noble. So let's say, again, 2 USDC. All right. And then I'll submit the transaction. Same here, I'll need to sign the transaction. Okay, perfect. Approve. View. Okay, transfer channel 2. And maybe while this is loading, what we can do is go on relayer. So this is MinScan. So it allows you to see the different transactions that happen on the Coreum network and on other network of the Cosmos ecosystem. So what I want to show you right here are the different channel, which we have the different chains, which we have a channel open. So you can see we have Noble, Cosmos, Secret, DYDX, Evmos, Axeler, Bend, Say, Gravity Bridge, Kava, and Kujira. And earlier I was talking about channel. So for example, if I look right here on this, you will see that we have two channel open on with Noble, but there is only one that is being used as it should be. So this is the channel that is referenced in the chain registry. So channel 19 on Coreum, channel 49 on Noble. Okay, let's see where it is. Okay, transaction success. Okay, perfect. So that means now if we look at our wallet right here, we should have one new token found, Noble. Let's add the chain. And we have some native USDC on Noble. All right. So I'm just going to look at the chat quickly, see if there is any question. Loading this token, 23. All right. Yeah, I don't see any question, but if you have any question, feel free to post them into the chat. All right. Maybe what is interesting is showing you the chain registry. Chain registry. All right, so Cosmos chain registry, awesome. So this repo is super important. Actually, I'm going to put a start on it. So if you look at in the Coreum folder right here, let's look at the chains. Let me see. Maybe it's not this repo. Let me check. Chain registry Cosmos IBC. Should be that repo. So what I want to show you right here is the repo that Minscan is referencing. So referencing the channel that we have right here, because I think it is interesting and it's important for you to know where is this information coming from. So this is the basic chain registry, but I want to find the one with the IBC channels. Give me 1 second. I'll be able to find it. Okay, perfect. So right here, this is the folder I was looking for. Sorry for that. So what you can see right here, for example, if I open this JSON file right here, you will see, so chain one main chain to Coreum, and you will see the channel ID right here. So channel ID 1, so this one is corresponding to the channel that is open on main chain, and the other one, channel 2, is correspond to the channel that is open on Coreum. So I'll put this repo into the chat and feel free to have a look at it. All right, so right now, main question, how do you get those USDC on Coreum? So this is where, this is the announcement that I wanted to, that I was talking earlier. So we're proud to announce that Coreum integrated with cctp.money, so one-click USDC. And basically what this interface allows you to do is, with one click, bridging your USDC from any chain within the Cosmos ecosystem and from Ethereum, some EVM chain also, to Coreum. So for example, right here, I'll show you how easy it is to bring some USDC directly from Noble to Coreum. So I select from Noble to Coreum. I'll connect my wallet, of course. Connect. Have to add all of these chains. Approve. Okay. So now I have my balance right here. Perfect. And I only have to click on transfer. I'll do autofill. And then it will send me my native USDC to Coreum. So I will have an IBC representation of the USDC token on Coreum. View on the Explorer. Let's see, transaction success. Awesome. All right, so yeah, as you can see, we have a really, really small amount of USDC that is left on Noble, and the rest is on Coreum. All right, so I think that is what we wanted to show you today. So everything that we showcase today is done through users interface, which is great. So it's easy to do. It's very intuitive. Thanks to our partners for making those amazing tools. And yeah. So let me check if there is any question. Can you show? Can you show how to download a CSV file on the Leap wallet and mint scan for the IBC transaction? Interesting. Honestly, I don't know how to do that. I never did it before. We need more of this video, please and thanks. All right. Okay, so maybe what we can do, Annalisa, is take some question, and I'm going to stop sharing my screen, if that works.
Yeah, amazing. Thank you so much, Helwan. Great news. We are now integrated with CCTP Money. I didn't know that. That's real alpha right there. So we did have this question of how to download a CSV file on the Leap wallet and then mint scan for the IB transactions. We'll, like Helen said, he hasn't done it before, so I'll make sure to do some research and prepare a tutorial for our next time, or maybe just share it on Discord as well. So I'll take note of that questions. If we have any more questions, please feel free to write them on the chat. You have us here to help you in any way we can. So I used TFM before. I'm surprised how easy it is to make an IBC transactional. Like, you just write tfm.com and hit IBC transfers, select Coreum, and then the Coreum network, and then select the token you want. Helen used Osmosis for this transaction. I thought it was great. We do have a pool in Osmosis right now, a liquidity pool. And then never use a Squid router. Really easy, great design as well. Really surprised. And now CCTP Money, that I'm looking forward to start making some swaps there.
Yeah. So which one is your favorite? Do you prefer TFM, because TFM does have also a swap interface that does pretty much the same thing as Squid Router, but I believe it's nice that we have those different alternative, right?
Yes, I mean, I like them both equally. I think TFM is more for IBC transfers. It's like more easy, and then I think a Squid router is gonna be more used for like cross chain transfers, right? Like transferring to Ethereum in the future, like things like that.
Yeah. Yes, you got it right. Exactly. In that sense, Squid got a more feature. You're right. All right.
Yeah. So we have this question. What is the TFM and Squid web address? Sure. So TFM is tfm.com, if I'm not mistaken. And then for Squid router, it's going to be squidrouter.com as well. I can link them here in the chat.
Yeah, I think it's app.squidrouter.com. So maybe, yeah, can we put the link in the chat?
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, tfm.com, and then for Squid router is squidrouter.com, but then you just hit launch the app and it should take you to
So we have one Oh, sorry, Analisa, go ahead.
No, it's already in the chat.
Awesome,
The
awesome,
what?
amazing.
Yeah.
TFM.com and squidwater.com. Amazing. Maybe you can add CCTP money too.
Yeah, now I'm putting that one right now. It's so new that I I forgot about it. Let's do that one too.
CCTP.money. So is it safe to use? I see this question from Musto. So yes, it's safe to use. The Coreum team did some background check on those applications to make sure that it's safe to use by our community. That's why we partner um, with those teams. So yeah, it's safe to use.
Great. So it's safe, secure to use, and also is super user friendly, which is, I think, the most important part for onboarding more people and non-dev to the ecosystem. Um, you just need a wallet. I think both use Cosmos Station and Kepler as well. So make sure you do have those wallets integrated in your um, what's the name, the your Google browser or any browser
The
you use.
extension, you mean? Yeah, yeah,
The
exactly.
extension, yeah.
All
Uh,
right. So
yeah.
I don't see any more questions. So that means that we did a great job. That was clear.
Yes, and it's going to be safe for you guys to rewatch whenever you want to make an IBC transfer or learn how to use a Squid router or TFM or CCTP money. So whenever you want to rewatch this tutorial, it's going to be here in our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. If you have any more questions, feel free to put them in the chat and we'll create new tutorials for you. The same for Twitter. If you have questions, just hit us up on Twitter and we'll create the necessary information to make you more knowledgeable about the space and how to build on Coreum. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Thank you, Helwan, again for joining and teaching us how to use IBC transfers and hold USDC on Coreum.
My pleasure. All right. Have a good weekend, everyone. See you.
See you. Happy Friday.